Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about why coding tutorials aren't created anymore. You see a lot of YouTubers. I can't say that I'm a YouTuber, but I'm very active in YouTube. But even I don't create coding tutorials anymore. Like I used to create earlier, but now no, because there are a lot of reasons. I mean, a lot of YouTubers have stopped creating coding tutorials, like series of tutorials, like on JavaScript, on TypeScript, on best practices. On best practices is still there. Okay, but Python is also still there, but JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, and all these things people are not using. And these are the reasons that I'll be telling you. First of all, AI can generate code snippets, tutorials, and documentation. You can easily learn through AI and go deep into the thing that you are learning it very easily. You can get all the syntax. Basically, people were learning syntax only, how to use that, right? Nothing. So no need of video. You can learn everything from AI with a single prompt. AI can provide personalized learning experiences. You have to write prompt correctly for this. Write that, okay, I'm good at this, I'm not good at this. Please give me a personalized plan or give me a personalized way of learning. Then it will give you in the form of chapters, uh, personally for you. But in YouTube videos or Udemy videos, it's like for everyone, right? So whether you are learning or not learning, who no one knows. Only through when you write the comment, people will know that, okay, there you are facing the problem. But AI can, give you personalized plan or give personalized way of learning. AI can adapt to different learning styles and paces. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So if you are good at something, you might be go deep into that. If you're not good at something, you might be starting from scratch as a junior developer. That also AI can do, which is not available or which can't be done through YouTube videos. Now, AI can provide real-time feedback and support. Of course, it can provide real-time feedback and support when you write the prompt that I've completed this, so and this is the score I've got when I attempted a certification or something. Then I will tell, okay, how much you have proceeded, how well you have done, right? Which is not kind of there in Coursera and Udemy where you get the certificate of completion and scoring on different kind of courses that is there on kind of exam kind of courses are there where you attempt MCQs and everything, but not like it's not a big thing. Okay. AI can analyze learner data to improve learning outcomes. So yeah, based on your learning initiative or how you have learned, AI can give you more better suggestion what to learn next, how to learn, how you can go deep, how you can improve all those things based on your experience because the LLM is learning your through your own way. It's in its own way by when you type the prompt or the kind of solution it gives it is learning about you and your interests, right? So that is the reason it can give you personal plan is what I'm trying to say. And the most important reason is when you create now, and 5 years back, there were a lot of views on getting this kind of videos like React, learning React from scratch, or React hooks course, Redux courses, TypeScript course, or JavaScript course, and all those things over there. But you know that the quality was not great at that time, but still, people still during COVID time they were staying at home, so they watched a lot. And before that, also people watched a lot, and people got some decent 20-30% of decent content from that, right? But now the views are not coming. So because the views are not coming, the revenue is not coming, and no motivation to create these tutorials because people, YouTuber wants revenue, right? If I'm creating a video, I want the views so that I can earn something from it. Now, if the views are not there, then why to create those kind of videos, right? People want only quick fixes and not long projects and tutorials. I mean, gone are the days people don't want to spend 4 or 5 hours learning, doing a project because after 30 minutes you'll lose the interest, right? Then maybe you'll open that particular video after a month or maybe 15 days later you'll forget everything. Rather than people want to learn fast and want to learn is very specific, deep, but don't want to spend a lot because the curiosity is there, but the attention span has decreased because of all this, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and then these Facebook Reels and all those things, your TikTok and all those things, right? So that's the reason people don't want to spend a lot of time in, investing the time, hours and hours for learning doing a project from scratch. So fewer people want to learn coding from scratch, more want to use AI to generate code. Yeah, that's the hard part what to do. Don't want to spend time learning coding from scratch. They just want to use the AI tool, Cursor, Copilot, and ChatGPT to generate code for them, and then they can use it. And then they will spend time for other activities. This is what people are doing right now. People want to learn how to use AI tools rather than traditional coding tutors. They don't want to want to learn code deeply. They want to just learn how to do correct prompts. People want to learn specific skills rather than general coding knowledge. Yes, they want to go deep into something like system design, on scalability, on performance, on networking, on security, going deep into this. and that they don't want to learn generic stuff. A lot of code content is there in generic stuff already in YouTube, as well as LLMs are giving you better solutions to your problems, right? All the generalized stuff is there. Right? So they don't want generalized stuff. They want deep knowledge about a specific stuff. Then people want to learn through real world projects rather than tutorials. They don't want to use tutorials. Tutorials as generic stuff. They want to learn real world projects, right? People want to learn through collaboration and community rather than tutorials because you're talking to someone. Whether it's an AI, you're talking to someone and you are sharing your things, what is in your mind. So which you might not be able to share with your friends or family or the person who has created the video, basically. But that's the reason this interaction is good, communication is good with the AI tools. That's the reason people are preferring AI over YouTube, or in that case, some other video courses or tutorials for kind of learning stuff, right? People want to learn through experimentation and exploration rather than tutorials. Yes, they want to explore, they want to research, they want to kind of collaborate, and they want to experiment a lot, and they don't want to follow someone who has his own mindset of creating that series of videos, right? They want to experiment a lot. People want to learn through AI generated content rather than human created content. Yeah, I don't know why they are preferring the AI generated content, but because maybe around 90% is correct code, but 10% is not correct code. Maybe 50-60% is correct code, but it doesn't is not trained so much that it will give a correct result, right? So they don't want to they because AI is kind of new. In next 1 to 2 years, when it become trained, it can give you better solution, and that time people will not create no tutorials will be there itself. Okay. Now, why shift towards AI assisting as learning rather than traditional learning methods? Everyone is using vibe coding to do fast and then spend time with their friends and families, right? So that's the reason people don't have time to learn through tutorials. People want entertainment in coding. Yeah, in coding, a lot of entertainment has come. People want to learn all the spicy stuff, how to get promoted, how to earn more, how to talk, communicate, and how to do all this. So spicy stuff has come in, yeah, like something niche technology, learning something niche, like 3Gs, shaders are there. Then there is a lot of stuff which is good looking things are only people want right now with the better thumbnails, better which is already popular, something in the internet or something in the tech side of things. People want are attracted to those kind of content rather than these tutorials. Grabbing attention is what works for YouTuber. Yes, because everyone is creating content that is kind of grabbing attention. Say it something interesting they are creating, right? So people want to follow that. Why to create tutorial? Because creating tutorials content take a lot of time. Like this video I'm recording right now, it is taking a lot of time for researching. That's the reason I can speak for 10 minutes because I've researched for around 1 year, 1 hour to speak for 10 minutes, right? And people, if views doesn't come, you get demotivated. So you create content which is already popular, right? Short form content is more popular than long form content because of shorts, reels, all the stuff, right? People want to learn through challenges, competitions, hackathons rather than tutorials. Tutorials have like kind of limit you to what the creator has done, but you want to learn through your own experiences, own experimentations, through hackathons, through competitions, through different challenges, because people are more powerful with the AI assisted kind of coding, right? So they want to do more within less amount of time. That's the reason coding tutorials are now less. So hope you understand why people like me, we are not creating a lot of tutorials, and we are also using a lot of AI to create our content. Okay. Hope you like this video. Please share with your family and friends, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you very much.